Hey, I'm Paul from No Nonsense Cocktails. Let me ask you, do you enjoy fruity, colourful drinks but have a slight complex about ordering them in public? I know I do. Today we're going to make the strawberry daiquiri. The strawberry daiquiri was invented in Ireland by an Irishman. The origin of the story goes it comes from Tramore, County Waterford, which is of course the Atlantic City of Ireland. Tramore is famous for such events as the Big Gamblers Convention, its bumper cars, the slot machines, and playing Snap with the locals. Here's a photograph of myself, Joe Rogan and Dana White enjoying the bumper cars during the Big Gambler Festival. It was this day when I realised these are actually two individual people and not just one guy. I don't know if anybody else ever thought that. How the drink came to be was, there was a man by the name of Alan Whelan and a bartender named Zachary Conley. They were great friends and Zachary was looking for some help around the bar. Alan had a younger brother by the name of Ray who was struggling to find work due to a speech impediment he had. However, not to be deterred by this, Zachary decided to give the boy a chance and hired Ray to do some things around the bar such as keep the bar tidy, restack the bottles, pick fresh fruit when needed, among other things. One day, Ray was out picking fresh fruit and arrived back to the bar to find Alan and Zachary sitting there. Ray could not pronounce the word Zachary, you see, and when he uttered the word Zachary, what came out of his mouth was daiquiri. Ray shouted from the bottom of the bar, "Daiquiri! Strawberry daiquiri!" What he was trying to say was, "Zachary, here's some strawberries, Zachary." But Alan said, "A strawberry daiquiri." And so was made, in Tramore, Ireland, the strawberry daiquiri. Here's how it's made. First of all, you're going to have one shot of Bacardi into the blender. So this is a frozen daiquiri because I'm using frozen strawberries. I've actually picked these strawberries myself. It was very challenging. I had to pick them from this bag of mixed berries, which was from Green Isle. So I had a struggle with, going through the other berries in the bag. So I did pick them all individually myself. So a lot of effort has gone into this video. Put these in. And we are going to put in the juice of one lime. So I'm actually going to make a strawberries and cream daiquiri because I like my drinks really sweet. So this is an optional step I'm doing, but it's not for everybody. So the ingredients have been Bacardi, strawberries. I'm going to go with a shot of yogurt liqueur. This is an optional step. Needs a little shake. There we are. And I'm going to go with a half shot of simple syrup. And a half shot of grenadine strawberry syrup. So this is for a little bit of extra flavour, a little bit of extra colour. It's actually delicious as well. So a half shot. And now we blend. My mother won this blender on Jeopardy in 1971. It's actually the first blender ever made, so please do not mock it in the comments. So as the drink is chilled, I do not need to add any ice to the glass. And I'm just going to pour it straight in. And that, my friends, is the strawberry daiquiri. I do like to make some jokes about the origin stories of where they come from. However, in this case, Alan and Ray Whelan are real people. I met them both when I studied in college and are good friends of mine. Unfortunately, Alan passed away last year, so this drink is for him and all the Whelan family. May he rest in peace.